Hello and welcome to OneSub Tutorials. My name is Kolik. I'm from the OneSub support team, and in this video, I'll show you how to receive notifications for your bookings in OneSub. User notifications are an essential way to stay informed about important booking events, such as when a meeting is scheduled, or when it's cancelled, or when it's about to begin. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here you can see I have signed into my OneSub account and I'm on my home screen. Now, to go to the user notification section, we need to click on the profile icon on the top right and select user notifications. So here you see the different scenarios where you can get the notifications. So the first one says meeting scheduled. And you can see it says sent when the meeting is scheduled. So you get the description under all the scenarios. So for meeting scheduled, you see I have the email notification checked. So that means I will receive the email notification, but not the SMS notification, just because it's not checked. Okay. Now to receive SMS notification, all you need to do is to check mark this box. Okay. And here you see we also have an option for meeting reminder. You can select email notification here, select the duration, how long before the start of the meeting you want to receive the notification. Now let's say I want to receive two notifications, one before 1 hour and one before 10 minutes to the start of the meeting. So here it's selected 1 hour and I'll again add a second reminder for 10 minutes. Okay, so I have added two reminders. And then I'll also add a SMS notification. And you can also select the duration for this in the same way. Now to get the SMS notification, you need to enter your phone number here. Once done, you need to click on save. Okay, so that should be it. Once your preferences are saved, you will start receiving notifications tailored to your needs. Notifications are configured per user, so every host can receive updates that are relevant to their meetings, keeping things organized and efficient. If you have any questions, do reach out to our support channels and we'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe for more such OneSub tutorials. Thank you for watching.